Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and before tayo mag-start, make sure lang na nakasubscribe ka na at nakahit na yung notification bell para updated ka sa ating mga videos. Punta tayo sa pinaka-paborito mong topic, ang income statement. Ang income statement is a financial statement that summarizes the results of the company's operations for a period of time. A company's operation includes its purchasing, producing, selling, delivering, servicing, and administrating activities. Ibalik ko lang yung definition ng income statement. It summarizes the results of the operation for a period of time, no? So, itong operation ay tumutukoy sa net income ni company. Kaya nga siya tinawag na income statement kasi didetermine mo dito yung net income ng company for a period of time which is usually 1 year, no? Or pwede ring quarterly. Tinatawag din itong earning process. Kasi daw, simula sa pag-purchase to, if manufacturing tayo, meron tayong producing stage. Up to selling. Hanggang sa ma-deliver yung goods at ma-account ni admin yung mga nangyari within the admin office. So, sa isang complete cycle, kung hindi natin ma-determine, so, diniscuss natin like last time, yung normal operating cycle, kung hindi determinable, it is presumed to be 1 year, no? Or 12 months. Sa isang buong cycle, sinasummarize yan ni income statement into a report, no? Si income statement, tinatawag din yan na profit or loss statement. Kasi dito mo ma-determine kung lugi ka or nagkaroon ka ng gain or income. No? So, tapos na tayo sa pag-determine ng meaning ng income statement. Pumunta naman tayo sa elements ng income statement. So, may 4 daw na elements ng income statement. Ano-ano ba yung 4 na elements na yon? Ito yung revenue, gains, expenses, or losses. Unang pinagkakaiba nila ay si revenue at saka si expenses. Ito yung usual na transaction. Meaning, ito talaga yung main line of transaction mo. Nagbebenta ka at nakaka-incur ka ng expenses. Example, yung interest, yung delivery fee na binayad mo sa customers and all. So, part yan ng expenses. So, itong expenses, dalawa sila ni revenue. It is considered as usual transactions, while the gains and losses are incidental only. Example, nagbenta ka ng lupa, nagka-gain ka. Nagbenta ka ng building, nagka-loss ka. Hindi mo naman usual transaction yung pagbebenta ng bahay at lupa kasi hindi ka naman real estate, no? So, it is only an incidental transaction. Tandaan nyo yan, ha? Unahin natin ang revenues. Revenues daw are inflows during a particular accounting period. Such inflows stem from the delivery of production of goods and rendering services. Ito yung sinasabi nating usual transaction, no? Yung pag-buy and sell ng product or pag-deliver ng services. May dalawang characteristics ng revenue transaction. Para ito ay maging revenue transaction, it must arise from primary earning activity. The second is it must be recurring. Kung hindi siya recurring, magiging incidental transaction siya. So, hindi siya revenue. No? So, ang ikalawa ay gains. Ano naman yung gains? So, gains are inflows din. No? But, it is an increase to equity resulting from incidental transactions not associated with the company's major operation. So it is considered an inflow, pero lagyan na lang natin dito na it is an increase in equity, no? From incidental transactions, kasi hindi siya part ng main line of business natin. Ano naman yung expenses? Kabaliktaran lang yan ng revenue. Ang expenses are outflows naman of assets or incurrences of liabilities. Such outflows are necessary to delivery or production of goods or services. They are made to benefit the firm. So, kagaya nga ng revenue, it must be a usual transaction, meaning it must be part of delivering goods or services ni company, no? So, essential characteristic of expense is it must be incurred in conjunction with the company's revenue generating process. So, isa lang pala yung factor. Dapat related sa revenue generating process. While the losses naman, losses are decreases to equity. Kabaliktaran lang yan ng gain, so it is a decrease in equity resulting from peripheral incidental transactions not associated with company's major lines of business. No, the transaction must not be an expense transaction or a capital transaction. So ngayon, alamin naman natin kung ano-ano yung dalawang formats ng income statement or tinatawag din siyang IS, no? So IS na lang yung ilagay natin. So may dalawang formats sa income statement. Ito yung single at saka multi-step. A single-step income statement lists all the revenues together with heading such as revenues or gains or revenues and gains. The expenses appear in a separate category titled expenses, cost and expenses, or perhaps expenses and losses. So there is only one step, the subtraction of expenses and losses from the sum of revenues and gains, no? So ganito pala yung pag-present ng single step, no? So revenues and gains, madali lang, isang subtraction lang yung gagawin natin, less mo yung expenses and losses. Yung lahat ng kinita mo versus yung lahat ng nagastos mo or yung mga losses mo. Yung tawag dito is income statement or net income or P&L. O yung multi-step naman contains a number of subtotals to highlight the important relationship of revenues and expenses. Sinisimulan niya sa net sales, less niya yung lahat ng nagastos related sa inventory, which is considered cost of sales. Yung lalabas ay gross profit or GP na lang, no? So, yung GP less selling and admin, yung lalabas dito ay income from operation. You add other income. You also add interest income and you deduct interest expenses. Yung lalabas dito, net income before tax and you less the tax, yung lalabas is yun na yung net income. No? So, ang haba ng multi-step. Pero, derive lang siya sa single-step income statement. No? So, tandaan mo, sa bagong standard, si income statement is just a part of a big picture. So, ang pinaka-main picture sa Financial accounting is si comprehensive income. Part lang si income statement sa makabagong accounting standard, no? So, ito na yung susundin natin. So, yung main picture na talaga is si comprehensive income. Part niya is the income statement and the other comprehensive income, no? Which we will discuss yan later, no? Yung OCI. Basta tandaan nyo lang muna na this is not yet the bigger picture. Ipapakita ko ngayon yung example ng isang statement of income or income statement para mas lalo nating ma-absorb at mas ma-visualize natin kung ano nga ba ang income statement sa totoong buhay, no? So, meron ako ditong example which is San Miguel Corporation. At San Miguel Corporation and subsidiaries kasi madami sila. Consolidated kasi madami sila. Statements of income for the periods March 31, 2020 and 2019. So, ginamit ko to kasi ito ay isang example ng isang quarterly, no? March 31, 2020. Habang yung year-end naman niya is December 31, 2019. So, meron siyang sales, cost of sales, gross profit, selling and administrative expenses, interest expenses, interest income, equity, earnings or losses of associates and joint ventures. Meron din siyang gains or loss on sale of investments, other income. Yung lalabas sa kanya is income before tax. Ito yung multi-step income statement, no? So, lalabas sa kanya, income before tax, niless na yung expenses or yung income tax expenses, yung lumabas sa kanya is net income, no? So, ito yung example ng isang income statement ni San Miguel Corporation. By the way, pag publicly listed ang isang company, you can view a financial statement publicly. So, available yan for public. Basta mga publicly listed na company like ni San Miguel Corporation, Jollibee Corporation, Robina, ano pa ba? Pure Foods,